Hello saxophones and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be learning about quavers, and you will be successful when you can accurately play quavers on beat 1, beat 2, beat 3 and beat 4 of your music. For extension, changing notes as well as playing quavers. Let's get started. First of all, quavers are the same as TTs or eighth notes. If you see up on the top of the yellow box, it says eighth notes. Each get half a count in 2/4 and 4/4 time. 2 quavers equals 1 crotchet. 2 TTs fit into 1 tar. So if I said this is 1, 2, 3, 4, they're the beats. They'll be the same as tar, 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 tar. And if I had TT, T, 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 T. So you can see how 2 TTs fit into 1 tar, or 2 quavers fit into 1 tar. You would count quavers like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you look at exercise 45, what beat of the bar are the quavers on? Beat 1 is a tar, beat 2 is a tar, beat 3 is a TT. So beat 3 is where the quavers are. It goes ta, ta, T, T, ta. Can you please pause and say that for the whole song now? Now do it with the counting. So the counting will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do that with the fingers. Ready? And 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Now play it and make sure you say the counting in your head. 3, 4. Pause and practice that on your own, making sure that you're counting in your head. If you didn't count in your head just then, go back and do it again. Now look at exercise 47. What beat of the bar are the quavers on? 1, 2, 3 or 4? So beat 1 has a tar, beat 2 has a tar, beat 3 has a tar, so beat 4 has the TTs, which means the quavers are on beat 4. And it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Pause now and see if you can do the counting in the fingers the whole way through. 3, 4. Now let's do it with me, playing, saying the counting in your head, remember? 3, 4. Remember saying it in your head and doing the counting as well. Pause and practice that. Now turn the page and look at exercise 50. What beat of the bar are the quavers on? They're on beat 2. And say the counting and the quavers. Ready? 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. And play it with me. 3, 4. Pause and practice that at least 3 times, making sure that you're counting in your head while you play. Now look at exercise 52. What beat of the bar are the quavers on? 1. And how would you count it? Pause and do it now. Now check it with me. Ready? 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, Now play it with me. 3, 4. Rest. Pause and practice that on your own, making sure that you're counting in your head while you play. Now turn back a page again and look at exercise 46, Jim Along Josie. Can you see another exercise that has the same rhythm as exercise 46? Compare exercise 45 and exercise 46 now. What do you notice? So hopefully you notice that the rhythm is exactly the same in both songs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and practice that now, singing in fingers. Now let's check. Ready? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's play it together. If you need to, practice it in 2-bar or 1-bar chunks first. Let's do it together. First bar, whole thing. 3, 4. On your own now, making sure that you are able to count and play at the same time. Remember, you can pause and practice small chunks at any point that you need to. Now look at exercise 48, Go Tell Bill. Pause and practice it in 1-bar chunks. So 1 bar at a time, singing in fingers, then practice it 3 or 4 times, making sure that you're counting in your head while you play. Pause here. Now that you've practiced it in 1-bar chunks, practice it in 2-bar chunks. Try and breathe where the music tells you to. Now that you've practiced it in 2-bar chunks, try and practice it in 4-bar chunks. Pause here. Let's check our 4-bar chunk together. So this is the first 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, pause and practice the whole thing, all joined together, making sure that you're doing the right notes. And let's play it together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Practice that as much as you need to until you feel like you've been successful at counting and playing. Now, for your practice, play up to exercise 55. Make sure that you keep sending me those smart music assignments. Let me know if this lesson was too hard, and let's review. How successful do you feel in your Quavers? Could you play them on every single beat? 1, 2, 3, and 4? How accurate were exercise 45, 47, 50, and 52. Give yourself a score out of 10 for accuracy on each one. Let me know if you need some easier music or some harder music for next week, or you want some more smart music assignments. Always happy to send more. And remember, you can check fingerings in your smart music app by clicking the note and then clicking the little blue button on the left is your fingering and the right is the sound. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.